Helene devastated much of the southeast, including portions of Florida, western North Carolina, and northeast Tennessee.
Tonight, we're showing you the Hoosier help going to some of those affected areas, plus what crews are doing right here in Indiana to restore power.
The Associated Press reports Helene is responsible for at least 121 deaths across Florida, Georgia, North and South Carolina, Tennessee, and Virginia.
Now, we have just learned President Biden will travel to North Carolina Wednesday to view the damage in the Asheville area. That is where roads and bridges have washed away, cutting people in Asheville and other areas of western North Carolina off from places like northeast Tennessee. Some people aren't even able to get to the store. WRTV's Meredith Hackler introduces us to an Indiana nonprofit flying supplies in to make sure those impacted have what they need.
Volunteers with the Civilian Crisis Response Team are loading up aircrafts to fly supplies to North Carolina. It's the first time the nonprofit has asked for volunteer pilots, and the response they've gotten has been overwhelming.
For them to take their time, their money, their aircraft and do this, it was definitely unexpected, the amount of overwhelming response we've had.
The heaviest stuff likes to be in the middle of the airplane because that way it doesn't want to tip back or forward.
One of those volunteer pilots is John Freese. He says he grew up flying. He heard about the need on Facebook and knew he wanted to step up and help.
We're all in this together, right? If somebody needs help, we need to step in and give them a hand. And that comes around, right? If we need help, hopefully somebody will feel the same way for us.
Freese lives near Columbus, Indiana, which will act as the hub of the Civilian Crisis Response Team's flight activities. But they say since so many volunteered planes and time, they will fly from other parts of the state too.
It started out as us just taking some stuff from Columbus down to North Carolina to resupply, has turned in now to be kind of a multi-airport operation. This is still going to be our main hub, but we're got pilots that are going into different airports now.
16.
As for why these volunteers do what they do, they hope to bring people together when many feel our country is divided.
At a very fundamental level, we all want the same thing. We want to live a good life. We want to be happy. We want to be free. We want to have a better opportunity for our kids than we have for ourselves. The best way we can do that is not to fight with each other. It's to come together and work together to find a solution. And in this case, it happens to be helping people out who need a hand.
In Columbus, Meredith Hackler, WRTV.
The Civilian Crisis Response Team works with local emergency responders to determine the need before heading to those hardest hit areas. 75 pilots volunteered their services. Flight operations will continue throughout the week. Indiana Task Force 1 sent a team of 80 emergency first responders to Florida to help with Helene's aftermath. And since then, they've helped in northern Georgia. And now Task Force 1 is in western North Carolina. They say their job is to provide search and rescue support to assist in evacuation.